the DALEX fireplace. Eye appearance. Did independently. So here are the built-in niches. Alternatively, a built-in wall fireplace. This is the way it occurs. Operation of the fireplace, open the left hatch. Here we have a panel like this. Turn on the power button. Or diodes lit up like. Received a message saying the fireplace was obstructed. There is an indicator light using relevant diodes to unlock the fireplace. Press and hold for 4 seconds. The fireplace became accessible. We also have the opportunity to do all these operations using the application. We run the application. Here we launch the application. On the application, we see the status of the fuel tank, that there is no empty. We can also switch languages first. We go into the fireplace. Here we have it here. What specific item, and is it possible for me to select different languages? As an example, Is it successfully saved? The entire user interface, including the fireplace application, has updated its language accordingly, and this is the fireplace we can access. Unlock and lock using the application. We have such a lock icon. The fireplace is now blocked. We press the locks. The fireplace is unlocked. He also told us that the fuel tank was empty, then we would need to load fuel. We open the right hatch to the fireplace. Should we connect the filling fitting? Special. No 2M. A fuel canister. Next, press the refill button briefly once.
We received notification that a return will occur later. Started in vain. While the fuel tank is to be inserted into the fireplace. You have the ability to control the application as well. Mobile and calculator. Currently, the fuel level is at a minimum. You observe that it indicated 5%. The fuel tank contains fuel. You can essentially connect the fireplace and head to gas station.
The gas button was not pressed. Following this, we have remaining hoses of fuel. In order to. It didn't spill. Carefully remove the hoses into the canisters. We maintain it at the top and press the fuel button once more. By pressing this button, fuel from the refueling hose will fill the fuel tank if refueling is required. In just 3 seconds automatically. Continue refueling. This will remove the fuel from the hose and stop automatically. Now we don't have enough fuel in the tank, so he wants to fill up until the tank is full. Press the button to detach the filling hose feed. All refueling is complete and we are closing. Here's the diode alarm. The green diode is on. This indicates that the fireplace is ready to work. Next, we turn on the fireplace. We can turn it on either by pressing the Start-Stop button on the panel or from the application by clicking the Start button. Click the Start button in the application.
The old building.
Receive messages from Camino. Work completed and receive relevant messages on the app. Initiate this task. That is the fireplace. Started working. Nearly a minute we ignite a candle. Remarkably, it continues to burn. In just 23 minutes, it will make its appearance in our center. The evaporator works, the vapors are coming in. That's how it develops. First in the center of the lights, then the flame spreads to the entire length. Only 3 minutes left. 4. This illustrates how the nozzle makes a We observe fire along the entire length of the nozzle, indicating that the fireplace hasn't been in working mode for long. It requires several minutes for all transitional processes to complete. Calm down. And when will the fireplace say the fireplace is at work? It is believed that it starts functioning after this message can be altered. The flame level indicated that the fireplace is now operational. In the application as well. The message has changed. Now it is in addition to work and is indicated in the application. What level are we at now? Melting level 2, and we can switch or add flame level. We can achieve this using the Kharkov buttons to increase or decrease. Additionally, we have applications. Functionality is a plus.
Ours is fine.
They added their own one level. The blend, he ascended to another level. And after pressing, you need to wait some time. The vaporizer gained temperature and the flame level rose. This is not done instantly, it is done over a period of time, slightly prolonged process. Right now we are observing how the flames are increasing. The level is rising. Moving on to level 4. So if our flame level is very high, we can transition to a lower intensity.
Try. Your primary 2 unit. With your iPhone here.
Our application is currently indicated at the present level. Plus, the fireplace tells us when we transition to what level we are moving to. Well, now the flame level. Decreasing. After accomplishing task, we turn it off. Stop button. Index. Alternatively, press the Start-Stop button. Operate the fireplace or activate the Start-Stop button on the remote control. The application, we need to click on that. Received a message indicating that the fireplace is turning off, along with a corresponding notification. Program. We observe that the flames are becoming smaller. The fireplace starts to diminish. After the fireplace, the flow must pass some more time for the evaporator to cool down and the temperature parameters of the fireplace to reach the specified settings. We will find out about it there will be a message about the fireplace is blocked. Rising when pressed. Any buttons. The fireplace will always give us a message from the base of the fireplace. We won't be able to do anything after the fireplace cools down. We can unlock it and empty fuel from the tank, and with us it's ours. That is, we go to the application. In the application, we click on the lock icon at the top, which unlocks it, and a message confirming the fireplace's unlock status is received. Next, we open the refueling hatch and insert one end of the refueling hose into the filling fitting tube. Empty canister. And we press the fuel button, holding it down for 4 seconds. Press and hold the button. Attention.
Once again,
Fuel waited eagerly for the message, and then fuel's attention was finally released.
Button. Suddenly the fuel started flaring. Here is the button we have. It provides an essential indicator. Log knob on the hose. Enters. That's slow. This pumping is carried out automatically even after the message of the fuel tank. Fuel residues continue to be automatically removed from the fireplace until the fuel is completely removed. During this interval, you can either refer to them as stop pumping button or wait until the fireplace automatically expels all fuel from the can. That's how we see it. There is still fuel. Notice it. It pumps out, hence the reason. Let's proceed. When is it going to cease?
And it turned out that Dolly disconnected the fun plan. There we received a message that the fuel was removed and the pumping stopped automatically. After that, we can remove and pull out the filling slag by pressing the button. Get the hose out. All things. We have the application at this time. Fuel level 0%, slightly according to the functionality of the application. Our fireplace. We are capable of altering what we can alter, including languages. With languages, also neighboring pictograms. The router is drawn, thus we can integrate the fireplace into the home Wi-Fi network. Moreover, we can definitely ask the fireplace's name. You have the ability to turn the sound for the fireplace message on and off.